Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Mike, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this Mi Band 3 which I bought recently from me.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox this package. So let's quickly unbox it. Okay guys, so this is the Mi Band 3 by Xiaomi and you can get it for 1999. A link is provided in the description below, so please go and click that link to buy this product and please support the channel. Till then, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so here is the box. It's the Mi Band 3 and the front you can see the Mi logo. Side there is nothing. At the back there is Mi logo. Top you can see the Mi Band capsule. And this one is the touchscreen model, as the Mi Band 2 was having a button here and it was not touchscreen, and Mi Band 1 was not having a screen either. And at the back what you can see is that its product name is fitness band, its color is black, water resistance to 5 atmospheric pressure, battery capacity is 110 milliamp hour, which can last you up to 20 days if you charge it fully. And you will need the Mi Fit application to sync this device and use it accordingly. It comes with Bluetooth 4.2. So the link is in the description below, so please purchase from that link and support the channel. So let's quickly unwrap it. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so capsule comes in this case. In the back you got a heart rate sensor and a Mi logo, you can see. Let's keep it aside for a second and let's see what we get in the box. So in the box we get a very nice quality strap. What else we get in the box? Okay, so these are some manuals. It says touchscreen, heart rate monitor, charging port. Okay, so it's fixed now. And this is how it looks. So let me charge it up and we'll be back to you in a couple of minutes. It's asking me to pair to the Mi Fit application on the mobile phone. So let me show you it on the mobile device real quick. What you have to do is that just go to the Play Store, search for the Mi Fit. So this is the application which you need to install in your mobile phones in order to use this device. This is the Mi Fit application, so you have to sign in. So let me sign in with my Google account. So what you have to do is that just click on the tap to pair a device, and here you will see some options like band, watch, smart shoes, anything. So right now I'm having a Mi Band 3, so I will select band. That it will be paired successfully. Okay, now you can see on my device it's saying that tap on the button pair. You can see it's pairing up, and yay, it's paired up. So here you can see the timing, date, everything. You will swipe from the top, swipe left, it is giving you a stopwatch, silent mode, and a device, screen, about. Okay, if you swipe from bottom to top, it will show you the step counter, the distance you have traveled, the calories you have burned, and the battery level. It's showing you the battery level. Okay guys, so this is all for the Mi Band 3 which you can see right on my wrist, and I hope you all like this video, and if you like this video then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel then please go and hit the subscribe button down there.